Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make gun sound effects. First you need to download on your iPhone or iPod or whatever it is you have, an app called Helium Booth or something that makes your voice really deep or high. And you want to make your voice deep, and then when you fire a gun, you want to go with your lips, and it will sound much deeper. I should sound like a teenager right now, but I'm only just a kid, so I should sound like I have a deeper voice. And so when you're shooting, you can make a light sound with your lips with your gun, or a low sound, and it'll sound like a real gunshot. And yeah.